Now, Chief Meteorologist Scott Dorval with the On Your Side forecast.
Rain continues to pound down on the Treasure Valley. We take a look at this extended forecast. There's more rain for tomorrow. Now, we may be a little bit more intermittent than today, but the middle part of the day could be a soaking rain coming in. And then we could burst into the upper 40s to near 50 during the afternoon with a strong southeast wind as a warm front blasts on through. Then a cold front comes in tomorrow night, and that one could bring in some snow to the mountains and then colder temperatures to the valley. So here you go tomorrow. Rain much of the day. Here's where we get that break and the temperatures surging up. A strong southeast wind developing, but still more showery type precipitation into the evening. And then heavy rain could come. We're talking heavy showers are possible there in those later evening hours. 42 degrees on Friday. Still a chance for some showers, but getting colder. A chance for some snow showers Saturday morning. In fact, we could get a ½ inch to an inch of snow in the Treasure Valley when you wake up Saturday morning, and then melting in the afternoon. But look at these colder temperatures coming on in. The trend is for colder weather coming in. Take a look at some of these viewer photos, just a couple. This is Pinehurst, absolutely buried in the snow off of Highway 95. If you want to get a full suite of these photos, go to my Facebook page and check these out. This here is Lake Fork. You can see here, this is an awning here, and the snow just drifting up on in. And the huge snow drifts being reported. Here's again what we're seeing in there, a lot of the doorways, people just having to dig on out. I've got one picture that shows snow halfway up a door. They opened up the door and you can see the imprint of the door on the snow, and then they had to dig it on out. So you can go to my Facebook page to check that out. In Featherville, Dave in Featherville says they've had 40 inches of snow in the last, well, 3 days since the 9th of February. They've got 5+ feet on the ground in Featherville. Here was Brundage yesterday. We look at that snow stake, and we ended up around 12 to 13 inches of snow. Had a report of 15 inches just on the east side of McCall and Lake Fork. A similar story today. And look at this trend here over the next 10 days. Here's that surge, that warm front coming through. We shoot up to the upper 40s to near 50, but the trend then drops, and this means a chance for snow in the valley. Again, I mentioned a little on Saturday, and then Wednesday of next week, look out. We could get some snow in the Treasure Valley that sticks around, a little more midwinter weather coming on in. In the meantime, I'm going to have a complete ski report coming up on my 6 o'clock newscast. The snow, it's hard to keep track of the totals from this point on till 4 o'clock. Another 4 inches at Bogus Basin, 10 at Tamarack and Brundage Resort as well. And in the valley, we've had over a 1/4 inch of rain, about 1/3 in some locations, another 1/3 to a ½ inch likely between this evening and through tomorrow. Look at the rain continuing to blast on in, but there's this line right here. It's slowly sagging in to the south and to the east, so it will dry out from north to south, but the Treasure Valley will be soaking until after midnight tonight. Magic Valley, you're getting the heavy rain as well, and the warnings and advisories all across the west with this moisture coming in. Here's the mild weather. This is what surges in tomorrow, causing our temperatures to rise, but this cold front gives us thunderstorms during the nighttime hours. This colder weather right here will slide its way in for the weekend, and that's why we get that temperature drop over the weekend. In the meantime, you take a look at the snow in Long Valley, maybe an inch overnight. It rains tomorrow in Long Valley, turns back to snow on Friday, could be another 3 to 6 inches. This is the 10-day forecast for the ski resorts. 2 to 3 feet of snow from this point over the next 10 days. So we're still talking more precipitation. My exclusive true view of tomorrow's weather today. Rain this evening, rain tonight, a break tomorrow morning, rain midday, thunderstorms tomorrow evening. You get the picture. The stormy weather continues, but it is going to rain in the places that have 5 feet of snow on the ground tomorrow. And so avalanche danger is going to increase tomorrow.
Great snow, but getting to the resorts you have to watch out for.
That's right. Highway 21 has been closed. Highway 95 has been closed, and 55 they say is a mess.
Oh boy.